Hello my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about that chocolate cake that I bought for my babe's birthday, and also we're gonna review and unbox it, my amigos and amigas. So here it is. It's awfully chocolate cake, my amigos and amigas. See, the packaging is very nice. Okay, so not only this I also bought this awfully chocolate cookies. As you know already, my amigos and amigas, I love cookies. It makes me addicted to it. So this one, okay, so let's review it, my amigos and amigas. The awfully chocolate and the the chocolate cookies. So watch out for this whole video, my amigos and amigas, because we're gonna eat it, okay? But before we eat it, my amigos and amigas, I will unbox it in front of you because the packaging is so nice. It's a complete, they also give a knife here and also with a ribbon. So watch out, okay, my amigos and amigas. The ribbon is stuck here, so I'm gonna open it. So let's unbox it. Opening the ribbon, my amigos and amigas. So here. Wait. Start, my amigos and amigas, a unboxing of a Awfully chocolate. It's my first time to do this, my amigos and amigas, a unboxing of a cake because Awfully chocolate is very famous here in Singapore, so I will just try. And also it's a celebration to my babe's birthday. Shout out to you, babe. So this is for you and I'm gonna unbox it, okay? Watch it. Okay, let's start, my amigos and amigas. So take out this one. It's the knife included when I bought it. This one, the flavor, by the way, my amigos and amigas, is banana cake. The signature cake of Awfully chocolate is the whole chocolate only, but I tried the banana. This one is a banana cake. Okay, so here, box. Okay, okay, then unbox it. Then actually for me, I don't like to unbox it, but because I'm so wasted of the paper because it's so lovely, minimalist, okay? And this one is the chocolate cake, my amigos and amigas. The ribbon is so lovely, okay? Awfully chocolate. Okay. So I'm tired already, my amigos and amigas. Here. So I think I'm going to keep this one because it's very lovely. And also, my amigos and amigas, it's my first time to try Awfully chocolate because one of my colleagues at work suggested me that I buy a Awfully chocolate. Shout out to you, Ate Maricar. So thank you for suggesting this Awfully chocolate. Okay. So here it's very heavy, a little bit. So this is the box by the way that I'm boxing. It has a name there, Awfully chocolate. Started in 1998. Yeah, selling only the all chocolate cake. Okay, started store in the Katong. So Katong is one of the place here in Singapore. So this one here. So I think I'm going to keep this one too. So let's try this one. I will open it now. 1, 2, 3. Tara, my amigos and amigas, see? Happy birthday, babe. So I requested that one is free of charge when you buy the cake. So this one. So I'll open it whole. And also, by the way, I asked for a candle, so they give me. Ciao, my amigos and amigas, this is the cake that I bought at Awfully chocolate. The lettering here is a free of charge, by the way. So I just I just request a simple letter, happy birthday, babe, because of my babe. Okay, happy birthday, babe. Shout out to you again. So here. So let's try, my amigos and amigas, and what can I say about it? And also, let's try too the cookies, Awfully chocolate cookie. And sorry, I like the container, by the way. As you already know, my amigos and amigas, I love some cute things. So here, Singapore's. Is it? Can you read Singapore? Oh. Okay, and here are the cookies inside. So we will try it later, my amigos and amigas, and review it. Awfully chocolate. one. Thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video about my awfully chocolate, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be updated on my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me. So yummy. Thank you for watching again, my amigos and amigas. I'm still enjoying the cake. Really, it's addictive. Bye.